Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to use Report Builder with the data store. To sign into Report Builder, go to reports.instantatlas.com. When you click Sign In, you will be asked to enter your ArcGIS Online account details. Once you have logged in, you will be taken to the Report Builder home screen. Click the orange button at the top of the screen that says New Report. If you are a data store user, you will be given the choice to create a report from the data store or from a web map. Choose the first option. You will now be asked to choose a layout for your report. Next, you will be asked to choose the map layer that you wish to create reports for. Having done this, you are now taken to the Report Builder editor screen, where you can build your report. From the left-hand menu, drag a widget onto the page. The table will show some default data. To change the widget settings, click it and use the menu icon. Alternatively, you can double-click the widget. Click on the Data tab. The Data menu uses a folder structure. The first folder contains the fields in the feature layer that the report is based on. These contain the codes and the names of the geographic features. You can normally ignore these, as they don't contain data as such. The folder with the name of the group, followed by Master Table, is the folder that contains the data store indicators. In the toolbar on the right, click the second icon along to clear the default selection of indicators. Then browse to the folder you are interested in and select indicators for display in the table. Tick the checkboxes for the indicators you wish to add. This will add the latest date available for the indicator. When you have made your selection, click Apply. You will see that the data now appears in the table. Many indicators in the data store have multiple dates. You can choose to display the latest X number of dates by changing the number in the box next to the indicator name. You can see that the dates are now shown in the table. If you use latest dates, your report will automatically update itself to show the latest dates available when the data store is updated with new data. However, if you prefer to show specific dates that won't change, you can click on the specific dates option for the indicator. In this case, the table then will always show those dates even if the data store is updated with new data. You can easily change the data shown in the widget by selecting different indicators. If you wish to provide aliases for the indicators in the widget, or change the ordering of the indicators, you can click on the third icon in the toolbar. The top of the Data tab has options for which features are shown in the widget. You can choose to show all areas. In this case, all of the wards in Kingston will be shown. You can also choose to add comparison areas. The available relationships for setting comparison areas are shown in a list. To show the upper tier local authority comparator, for example, I can tick this box. If instead I want to show all of the lower super output areas included in the ward in the report, I can tick this box. When you are happy with the changes to your widget, click OK. The steps for adding data to most widgets are exactly the same. For example, a bar chart. Adding data to a text widget is only slightly different. You type in your text, and insert substitution variables. Clicking Value will list all of the data in the data store. And you can simply choose the indicator you need to show. In this case, I'm going to bold the dynamic text to make it easier to see. There are other widgets available for use in reports, but the method for adding data to them from the data store is the same as shown here. If you need to change the appearance or the behavior of your widgets, edit the widget settings available under the Settings tab. This wraps up how to create a dashboard using data from the data store. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope you enjoy using Report Builder.